Good afternoon. We are here in St. Mary's Academy, Palo Incorporated. Here we are. Ito po ang ating mga students. There are 36 students who take the entrance exam. No, they are grade 12. There are no grade 10, but exclusive only for grade 12, guys. There are 7 sacristans or altar server here in this Cathedral of Palo. At majority sa kanila, kilala po nila si Father Rosalito, ang ating kasamang pari mula po sa dito sa lugar nito, ang Palo. Actually, this is our first time na nakapasok sa lugar at sa school nito, ang St. Mary's Academy Palo Incorporated, run by RVM Sisters. At thanks be to God na hindi po sila alinlangan na mag-response o tumugon sa ating panawagan na makapag-vocation talk dito sa school na ito. At thanks also to Sister Abby, ang coordinator ng senior high school at ng school na ito na basic education. Maraming salamat sa mga estudyante din po ito na baka hindi naman po lahat, baka isa sa po dito, 2-5 mayroong papasok this coming June. So this is it, Pansip. Thanks be to God. And this is our first school sa ating vocation campaign dito sa lugar ng Tacloban at Palo, Leyte. It's already March 19, 2025. It's a feast day of St. Joseph.